Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find out state properties ownership in Propstream. So to find out of state properties ownership in Propstream, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing to do, you have to make sure you're logged into your Propstream account. So to do that, go to propstream.com, then log in using your account credentials. Then from there, go to the property search tab, then enter the location, which is the city, the country. You can also use the zip code where you want to search the properties for. Then once the property list is loaded, click on the filter option, then scroll down to the owner information section, not ownership, owner information section. Then find the filter labeled owner state or owner's mailing address state. Then from there, select all the state as except the property state, or choose the specific state outside your target state. Then apply the filter to see only properties owned by out of the state owner. Then review the list and export or save the lead if needed. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.